You just found the 2021 Nissan Rogue. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a stylish, efficient Rogue that has the features you need to stay on top of today's demanding lifestyle. This can-do crossover anticipates your wants and needs with a quiet, comfortable ride in a spacious, well-equipped cabin. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, all-wheel drive, lane keeping assist, backup camera, 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, blind spot monitor, tire pressure monitoring system, third-row seat, locking limited slip differential. Spacious comfort is surprisingly efficient in this well-designed Rogue. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.